Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you restore your Cash App PIN without your social security number. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, what you can do is go to the App Store and download it. So open up the App Store on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and search for Cash App. By finding the application and installing it, you can go ahead and open it up and be greeted by the main page. In the main page, you can get started with logging in with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where you can take a look at your cash balance, you have your savings options and all the other settings that you can access. And now we can get started. So basically guys, if you do not remember your PIN, what you can do guys is go ahead and contact support. There is no other way. So if you do not know your PIN and your email options and everything you have in your account so that you can reset normal, you can just go into your profile icon right here in the upper right corner. By clicking your profile icon, it's going to open up your account settings, from which you can go ahead and enter in your security settings and change your PIN. But if you do not know your social security number and anything you have with your account, what you can do is contact support. There is no other way to do around it. So if you forgot everything, then you can just go ahead and contact support from the contact option, tell them what your problem is, explain who you are and that this is your account, and then you can go ahead and resolve it and get a new PIN. Basically, that's all that you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.